Hey guys, it's VertiBox Gaming here, and today we are doing a special for the first comment on this channel. We are going to be doing a whole montage of different games in the next 15 minutes. First up is Phantom Forces. Ah! Oh, jeez. I'm going to be doing a whole montage. Go like this. Back through. Over and over and over and over. I might play some music during part of this video. I don't know what this video is probably going to be called. Probably going to be comment specials. Shout out to Mendel, one of my classmates. Dang it. Let me just get one headshot and then we'll go to the next one. Do 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 da 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 da. Yes. Back. In what my class's favorite video, Roblox Jailbreak. Let's go rob some mudas. Dun 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 dun. Gangnam Style. Do 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 do. Gangnam Style. New update, rocket fuel update, fuel up at gas stations, new binoculars, grass map, better bounties, faster McLaren. I have every vehicle in the game except for the McLaren and Monster Truck. Monster Truck's $1 million, but I have the other $1 million vehicle. Let's see who wants a shout out. Let's see who's gonna be our lucky shout out today. I am recording for YT. Anyone want a shout out? See what our daily shout out's gonna be going to. Shout out to you. Shout out to Coopmaster679 for being awesome guy. Shout out to Asif CVVGY. Shout out to you. Who wants to friend me? I am AYT and I'm recording. Have anything to say? Shout out to Brewer Johnny, shout out to CVG, shout out to Coopmaster. I play this and other games. My channel is called VertiBox Gaming. VertiBox as one word, then gaming. Go subscribe. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe, put on post notifications, and leave a like on the video. I I am recording. Who would you like to say anything to YT? Hey! Why? Shout out to Cute Fox Kids. Shout out to Savage2298. Shout out to Coop Master. Shout out to Crybaby Spider-Man. That's a funny name. Shout out to CV. This guy, no. Right, with the little two people sign. Yes, I am. My channel is Verdi Vlogs Gaming. Yeah. Doodlebanger Coop Master 679. No shout out to you. Why? I am a YT. Please help me. Shout out to GamerJ2345. Ow! Can't kill innocent people. Go. Search Birdie and Box together. Okay. Can you please subscribe? Okay, let's go see if it's working. Okay, /whisper. Can you please subscribe? Okay. It is called Birdie Box as one word, then gaming. Okay, I think we're about to get another subscriber. Okay. Did you do it? Hold on. Sorry about that, guys. It was just somebody wanted to know my channel name. Let's get this money. You do it yet? Did you do it yet?